Okay, we have a BMW 5 Series today, having a Matrix Blue coating, which is a 3-year coating. Also putting the heat resistant ceramic on the wheels as well, to stop obviously the brake dust sticking to the rims. So you can see down this side that we've got quite a few scratches. I believe we'll be doing a 4-stage buff on this one today, just to obviously get all the swirl marks out. BMW 5 Series had the Matrix Blue coating, which is a 3-year product, protection ceramic coating. It also had a 4-stage buff. The wheels have got the heat-proof resistant ceramic coating on as well. So it's looking nice and shiny now.